How to watch movies on Discord mobile with friends. In order to do so, you may follow up this step. So open up Discord mobile first. Open it up onto your device. And then once you open it up, you may log into your account. And then you should be finding this interface. Now what you can do is simply head over to a voice channel where you have permission to share your screen. For example, this one right here. And there you should be finding a join voice option on your screen. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you will be finding this interface that you have joined. So what you can do is simply swipe it up like this. And once you swipe it up, here you'll be finding different options on your screen. Now from here, what you can do is here look for the option called share your screen. This one right here. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, here this pops up. So you may tap on try it out, where if you do that, you will be watching videos, stream gameplay, or browse other apps together by sharing your screen with your friends. Once that is done, here this pops up, so tap on start now, and once that is done, you'll be sharing your screen. Now all you gotta do is launch the movie either from YouTube or any other applications, and other people will be able to see that you have shared this movie, and you'll be able to watch the movies together with your friends. So that is how you basically do it on Discord mobile. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.